Up in Greenland, they're now affected by a similar phenomenon. So on top of Greenland, what happens is the ice is melting. And the ice, as it melts, creates huge lakes. And the lakes, as the summer goes on, eddy out moulins, crevices, which burrow all the way down to the bottom of this ice cap that's a mile, 2 miles deep. And then all the water flows down through these moulins to the bottom of the ice cap, this warm water, further lubricating the bottom of the ice cap, further accelerating this problem. Seismologists up in Greenland are now using seismological equipment that are picking up ice quakes at 4, 5, 6 on the Richter scale. You can imagine the instability this is creating inside of that block of ice. So something is happening here that is very dangerous. It's speeding up, and the consequences are catastrophic. I went down to Brazil to meet with the Brazilians about 6 weeks ago. And the Amazon is another one of these canaries in the mine shaft, another one of the potential victims of this incredible change that is occurring on the planet. You have to think of the rainforests in Brazil, middle of Africa, other parts of the world as the lungs of the planet, inhaling CO2, exhaling oxygen all day long. 20% of all global warming is caused by deforestation. And there's an assault on the Amazon. So we in the West, we have to find a way of partnering with the Brazilians to save the Amazon. Partnering with African nations, partnering with Indonesia. We have to find a formula. But you can't do it unless there's an international agreement that is understandable and is well-funded. And then 2 weeks ago, the speaker and I, we went to India to meet with Prime Minister Singh, to meet with the Dalai Lama up in Dharamsala, and to meet with their business leaders over in Mumbai, but to also meet with Pachi Pachuri, the man who put together that scientific consensus, the IPCC consensus, that won the Nobel Prize that was shared with Al Gore. And by the way, we know, don't we, that times have really changed here when Al Gore wins an Oscar for a slideshow. You know what I'm saying? We know the issue is moving our way now. Huh? So that's how much has changed in just a year and a half. Huh? Where even inside of India, they have the guy who put together all these scientists, no small political feat, and India will be one of the great victims with the melting of the Himalayas. We could actually see the Ganges. We could see there are other major rivers, first flooding in the early years because of the melting, and then over years drying up slowly but surely. And on the other side